How to increase your home's value. How to increase your home's value to get more bang for your buck when selling? Number 1, make repairs to improve the appearance. Be sure to make small updates and repairs to improve the overall appearance of the house. Number 2, think about renovating the kitchen or the bathroom. If you're thinking about renovating anything, think about doing the kitchen and the bathrooms, especially the master bath. Number 3, do some landscaping. Make sure the exterior of your home is well maintained and do a little landscaping and add some beautiful, colorful flowers. Number 4, highlight energy efficient features. Highlighting energy efficient or smart home devices throughout the home is definitely going to be appealing to more buyers. But don't wait. Make all these repairs right now so you can enjoy them before you sell.